I filmed this ceiling fan earlier this year, but to my knowledge, the video was messed up, I guess. I mean, not really messed up. I cut out the part where I turned it on and stuff on accident, because sometimes I can get the pause and unpause reversed. So every time I pause it, I think it's unpaused, and every time it's unpaused, it's paused. That's what I think. So I'm going to run it, and I don't know if the light works, but well, the light does work. Oh, they all work. Alright, I don't need my flash anymore. This here's a pretty cool pull chain. This is for the fan. Look at it wobble. Okay. Sounds like it's still on. There it goes. It's a nice ceiling fan. Looks like it's from the 90s. Alright. I'm out of here.